Hi guys, welcome to the next video of this Linux tutorial series. In this video, we're gonna discuss the command. Let me use the command name. The command called watch. So by name, it's specifying that we are watching something. Now, why we need this command and the use of command? Let me give you the overview. So if you want some command, any command maybe like date, cal, any command. If you want to observe or instead of observe, if you want to watch that command continuously in real time, then the watch command will help us. Now the syntax of watch command is as normal other like it's similar to other commands only. So watch, that is a command name, then options, we have options, and then the command, basically command, or you can say program. They are the same thing only. Command is again a program file only, and multiple options we're going to discuss in this video. But let's start with the watch command, how the interface looks of the watch command. So as you all know that we have a command called date in Linux. So let's say this is a command I want to observe or watch this command in a real time. So this command keeps on continually changing every 1 second. If you, let's say, enter, okay, and see, it's changing very quickly. 6, 4, 8, the minutes also getting changed from 19 to 20. So you want to observe in the real time. So what you can do is you can just write watch and the command or the program name. See, what written on the top is in every 2 seconds it's updating the output of command, which output of the output of date command, and here it's updating the thing. See, 44, 46, if the and you check that 48, 50, this is 52, 54, every 2 seconds is getting updated. So if you want to commit out, you need to press Ctrl C. Now, as I told you, if you want to watch or observe some command in real time, so there we use the watch command. In every 2 seconds, it's updating the output of that command, basically. That's by default 2 seconds. So let's start from this only. So let's discuss the options of watch command. The very first option we're going to discuss is -n. -n means interval. By default, the value of this is 2 seconds, but we can change this also while running the watch command. So let's say I want to run my date command in every 1 second, or let's say in every 5 seconds. So let's test it how we can do that. Let's do this. So watch -n, then I want it in every 1 second the output of date command to update. See, it's updating 59, 100. Again 3, 4, 5, 6, in every 1 second it's getting updated if you check. Now this time let's say it's in every 5 seconds I want. See, it will update very slowly. From 13 to it will move to 18. Then from 18 it will move to the 23, like that. See, if you checking the last second, this last second 23, now it's moved to 28, then again 33. In every 5 seconds this command is getting updated, and on the top also you can check. So this thing on the top, whatever you are seeing, is known as the header. So let's say when you are running the watch command, it will give you the header on the top. In header it's written that in how much seconds or in how much interval the command is getting updated. First thing, which command we are like executing. Here we are executing the date command. In every 2 seconds it's getting updated, or every 5 seconds. So this is called the header. If I run again and show it to you with the watch 2, let me run, and if you see on the top, every 2 seconds the date command is running. So that is called a header. Now if I don't want to see this header, basically, so there is another option in the watch command. The second option is -t is the option. -t means no title or no header. I just want to see my command output, that's it. So if I do watch hyphen t and date, see only the command output is coming. Now no every 2 seconds, every 5 seconds, which command we are running, nothing is coming up. So that is the second option. Let's say the third option we're gonna discuss is hyphen b. Hyphen b means beep. So let's say you are running this watch hyphen b and some command, and that command is not right. So I already created one video with name called exit code, and in that video we discuss multiple things like what exit code is, which command is getting what exit code, what is the possible value of that exit code, how the exit code is we are getting, how it's possible to write some concept or logic by using the exit code while we are doing scripting, and multiple things I discussed with the exit code. So let me give you the overview here. If the exit code is 0, that means the command we run last, the last command we run is successful if the exit code is 0. And if the exit code is non-zero, then that command is not run successfully. Let me show you the demo of this. So I already told in that video that how we can print that exit code, multiple things in that video we discussed. Sorry, this is not I want this. See, so if I run date command and if I run this dollar question mark, so dollar question mark is a variable, predefined variable that gives the exit code to us, and to print we need echoes. In that video I already discussed about the exit codes, but the system predefined variables, how we can define a variable, how we can leverage the power of echo to print a value of variable that we define or that are already created. So let's check out that video. If you have any doubts regarding the echo command and the system variables, system defined parameters, or how we can create a variable, how we can leverage the exit code in our scripting or writing a logic, what is exactly the exit code, everything is there in their video. In that video I will paste the link of that video in the description. But if I write some different command that actually doesn't exist, and then if I check this, see the number is non-zero. So now let's come to the point what we are discussing. So what hyphen b option will do in the watch command is it will give a beep to you, beep sound. So if you watch some command that the exit code of that command is basically equals to not 0, then it will give you the beep sound. In my case we are not able to listen that because I'm connected with some different setup, but you can test this out, this command, the command that doesn't exist. So it will give you a beep sound basically. The same one more option that we can use instead of hyphen b is, one second, the next option we can use is hyphen e. So what hyphen e will do is, if the exit code is equals to non-zero value, that means the command whatever we are passing with watch is not actually a command, is the command is not successfully run. So the watch will close the terminal of it. So what does it mean? If I write watch and date, see the terminal is not getting exited, and in the down there is nothing, no message is coming up. So the command is running successfully fine in every 2 minutes. What if I will do watch and then hyphen e with the same date command? See, nothing is happening. The command is getting updated in every 2 seconds. But if the command is wrong, that don't exit and the exit code is not 0, see in the down the messages come up. Command exited with a non-zero status, press A key to exit. So that is the use of hyphen E option. Now one more last option we're going to discuss in this video is the option hyphen G. So hyphen G will what hyphen G will do is it will exit a watch console if output get changes. Now what does it means is, if you know there is one option in the date command that is So let me write date command first. So if you only want to see this minute, not the entire thing, then there is one option in the date command, that is this plus percentage capital N. See, only 28. Now if I watch date with this percentage M, and no option I am giving, only the command date percentage M I am giving. See, it's not getting exited, even though if you see the minutes currently is 29. From here also you can see. What I want to show you is, if this output will change in the watch command, and if you use -G option, so this console of watch will automatically get closed. That this time we are not using any -G option. So even though the output got changed, it will not close this console. So let the output will get changed automatically. Then we will see the same option with a -G. What's the difference? You will automatically come to know. And what is the use of this -G option in the real world also? I'm gonna give you one scenario, so that will help you a lot to understand the -G option. But let it be first change. So it's 53 seconds, 55 seconds, 57, 59, and this time it will close. Or not close, because we are not using -G option. See, the output got changed from 30 from 29. But if I use the same command with -G, this time the output is 30, and what -G will tell us is, if the output gets changed of the command, whatever is passing to me, if that is got changed, then I will close my window automatically. So now the current minute is 30, but as soon as it will get 31, it will get closed, because we are using -G option. So let it be complete. 35, 37, in the 20 seconds it will get closed automatically. So let's wait for it, then we will discuss the real world use case of this -G option. There is a very great use of this. 52, 54, 56, 58, and at the 60 the output will get changed to 31 as soon as, yep, see, it's closed automatically. I not close, it got automatically closed. You can check with your laptop also. And one more example I can show you, but let's discuss the scenario first. So let's say the monitoring guys or the admin security guys are watching the logs. The logs of, let's say, your website. So there's Amazon.com, and the clients like us are hitting this website, and someone guy is very clever, he wants to hack this site. So the team from Amazon, like monitoring team or security team, is continuously watching those logs, and this guy is continuously hitting this particular website. So they are very clever, this monitoring or security guys. What they will check from logs in real time is, as soon as 404 output will come 20 more than 20 times, they will shut down this website for some minutes, and they will block this IP or something solution they can do. So here we don't have any log file, but how you can visualize it is, let me open this terminal. I have these two files, first and second, and the first, if you check, the last line represents the series only, and there are 5 lines. So let me watch this video only. So 1 second, these are the 2 commands. Yep. And here let me do watch. I'm watching cat and the first file. See, it real time it's getting updated in every 2 seconds. As soon as the output of this got changes, it will not close now. So let me show it to you. If I open the first file, and if I write new output, and if I save this, it will not get closed, that watch console, because we don't use that. See, new output is also there, but it's not closed because we don't use the -G option. But let me use -G option now, and as soon as I remove or change the output of this file, let's say I deleted this new output, and as soon as I save on that console, it will automatically get closed. See, I don't close that, it automatically get closed because the output got changed. So this is how the monitoring and the security guys can leverage the -G option in watch. And if you like the video, keep subscribing the channel, keep on hitting the likes on the video. If you have any doubts, you can post your doubts in the comment box, and you can reach out to me LinkedIn also. I will be happy to help your questions. Thank you for this video. Let's meet in a new video.